Kiri, the suicidal Budgie. What she does when she gets a bit agitated or when she gets like depressed, you know, doesn't want to be in the cage anymore. Maybe when Tako tries to flirt and mate with her, she doesn't want it, so this is what she does. I've never seen a Budgie like this before, huh? Hard to catch her. When she knows you're watching, she runs away, see? She's gonna do it again, look. Back to her enjoyable routine. Enjoyable because she loves metal. Look at that. Oh, delicious metal, huh? It's blurry. Go. She just loves climbing around and twirling around and flipping, doing flip-flops. That's what I call it. Look at that. It's like a ball, a fluff ball. Fluff ball. Hello? Ooh. Yes. Ooh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Let's look at that. Yeah. When we got her, she was already like this. But this was when we put them in separate cages and she wanted to get back at Tako, you know? She wanted to go and find a mate. But now she's just not wanting to live in the same quarters anymore. Just wants to get out. There we go, got a good view. It's really fast. She does it really fast. It's hard to follow. Got it. There we go. What kind of behaviour is this, huh? Is it because of lack of attention or too much attention? Tako's never like this. Never ever like this. Such a funny bird. And he's not happy. Not happy. Third time going. Flip flop. Flip flop mode. Alright. I should just let her be.